Captain's log, stardate 1262020. We embark on a deadly mission to fly quadcopters in uncharted territory. No, that's cringy as fuck. Hey guys, this is Tyler, aka Captain Tom. This is my first time kind of talking at the videos. I got a Hero 8 Black on a Black Friday sale, so I didn't plan on getting a GoPro. I kind of wanted to work with my Runcam 5 Orange, see if I could get better videos out of it. But I got a deal on it, so I figure, you know, if I keep shooting footage and it keeps coming out bad, most people are using a GoPro to get really clean videos, so at least I'll know it's something with my flying or my editing. My plans for today are to kind of, as far as freestyle, work on transitions and overcorrecting. Try to keep my momentum flowing through whenever I go through hard maneuvers, because I notice that like I will lose momentum and it just kind of just cuts up everything I'm trying to do. I've lowered my rates recently from 990 to 800 degrees per second. It's helped a lot, so I'm going to continue practicing with that. As far as an update on my long range cruiser, I just noticed, I don't know how I didn't notice this when I was building the dang thing, my motors aren't rated for 6S, and I've been trying to get it to run on 6S batteries for the KV that I've got. I'm going to abandon that and just get some Lions or something and try to tune the oscillations out on 4S. I don't know if the frame's causing issues because it's only 4mm arms. I may need to get a thicker frame to see if that stiffens up and kind of eliminates oscillations with the 2508 motors. Yeah, other than that, I'm just gonna go out and practice. I've got a diversity receiver coming in for the long range drone. I've done 1 kilometer so far with it. My goal is 2 miles at this point on Betaflight. That's not really long range, I guess, to some people, but once I get everything kind of shaken down and know that it works out to 2 miles, I'm gonna flip over to iNav for some more robust like return to home features, and then try to push it. I don't know if I want to push it much further than that, because my overall goal is just to kind of use that as a cruising drone. I got the gimbal from Nurk's video coming in. I want to try to set it up just to kind of get some smooth motion shots and be able to cruise and do like some treetop videography and stuff, just kind of cruise through the trees. But yeah, that's what I've got planned for today. If you like my videos, be sure to, you know, show your support. It's definitely appreciated. I don't intend to try to get big or anything. These channels are more or less for me to document my progress since I started back. Me and my buddies got into flying FPV in probably around 2016. We did that for about 2 years. I took a hiatus, and about 2 or 3 years now, I just got back into it. So I've got a lot to learn and get updated on the new stuff, but it's a blast. I don't know why I took a break from it. I guess life happens and you just kind of drift away from things, unfortunately, but I love it. It's a great hobby, and stay tuned for more videos. I'm going to go ahead and cut to some B-roll nonsense, or maybe some flight footage. We'll see how I edit this in post. Thanks guys, appreciate it.
Soldering thing.
He needs it, man.
Told him he's gonna have to do it.
I don't want to miss that perfect shot.
For sure.
Alright.
I got that on tape.
Hell yeah. Dude, that thing will skid, man.
Yeah, until your bolts are gone.
Well, I've got a backup one fresh, ready to go.
Then your motor's gonna fall off.
Yeah.